Welcome to our educational channel. From class 7, the chapter 3 is simple equations. So to do the word problems or solving some word problems, framing in equations, so any expression to equation. So to converting words to the equations, we need to know these concepts clearly this chapter. So I am providing the link, some PDF or document file in the link in description below. After getting the document or PDF file, so by listening this video, you can do the problems from the PDF. Just every page, few sums I'm explaining, remaining you need to practice from the paper. Right. First skill, the basic skills are required to convert the writing an expression. So write each as algebraic expressions. Now this is the statement we need to convert into algebraic expressions. Only with plus, minus, divide by, bracket. So those signs. Right. The quotient of 9 and V. Quotient, no division. 9 and V. So 9 divided by V. Simple. This is only just expression, not equations. Only first let us see expression. 7 less than 11. 7 less than what? Than 11. From 11, 7 less. Than 11 means 11 minus 7 it is. Not 7 minus 11. So need the sentence clearly. Difference of 23 and 9. So 23 minus 9. Y increased by 6. Y increased by 6 means y plus 6. Y is increased by 6. So y plus 6. Some expressions are given. We need to make into same statement. Few more we'll see in the next page in this. So many are giving based on every word problem what type of expressions will come to convert into algebraic expression or algebraic form. I'm giving each and everything. You can practice from this. Okay, if you observe few problems from this, 5 more than n, 5 more than n, no? So n plus 5, 5 more, 5 extra. Next, 11 increased by k. 11 is increased, 11 increased by k means from k, 11 increased, so plus 11. U less than 23, u less than what? 23. So 23 minus letter u. U cubed, so u to the power 3 cube, no? The quotient of 20 and 2, so 20 divided by 2, 7 less than a, 7 less, so a minus 7. Product is multiplications, 2 times 5, 10 squared, 10 to the power 2. So these are the statements you need to do this. 13 less than n, so n minus 13. 3 increased by 12, 12 plus 3. So after perfectly practicing the first and second pages about the conversion from statement to algebraic expression, then we can know the simple equations concept. So page number 3, 4 also I am giving different questions. Once practicing from that, next you can open the fifth page in this PDF and see one step equations. Let us do in skill 2 first. Basic skill you need to perfectly practicing this converting, then basic skill in 2 is the one step equations. Solve the equation here, only one step, that is r plus 1 is equals to 18. So plus minus into divide by, only single operation you can use in this type questions. So r plus 1 is 18. So what number plus 1 is 18? That means to do r value, r is 1 is adding to the r, right? If you take to other side RHS, be subtracted. You can remember in this 18 minus 1, so 17. Transposing from one side to other side, LHS to RHS, left hand side to right hand side, plus becomes minus when you change, minus to plus, and into is division, division is into. Okay, this is the conversion from left to right or right to left, remember. Okay, and this one is what operation is doing with letter r, is adding, so it should be subtracted to other side. Okay, same logic you apply for next one. Minus 20 is equal to x minus 20. So if you keep the x symbol here, minus 20 is left side. If you take towards, okay, minus 20 is right side. If you take left, already left is minus 20 is there. Now this minus 20 you take other side, plus 20. Minus 20 plus 20 is 0. 0 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 0. Okay, both the ways you can use LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, left to right, right to left. Okay, now a minus 17 is minus 10. So a is equals to minus 17, no, it's negative. Negative plus minus becomes plus. So already first you should write what is there right side. Don't take this directly. Minus 10 is there. Then side of that minus 17 becomes plus 17. Okay, this is easy way to remember. Minus 7, minus 10 plus 17. Previous chapter studied. Yeah, 7. A is equals to 7. Right. Same you apply. Minus 25 is equal to P minus 17. Then P is equals to minus, once you perfect, directly you can, by observing you can take. So this is in mind. I am taking the other side. So plus 17. That is the value of the P. So you can make. Next you can do subtract. Minus 25 plus 17. Minus is answer because one is negative, one is positive. Subtraction. So this is 25. 17. 25 is negative, 17 is positive. Subtraction we should do it. Then 8. So negative 8. Right. Next same way divisions. B is 15 is dividing with B. If you take right side, multiply. Already what is the right side? 7. 15 should write multiply with 7. So 15 into 7. So 7 5 is a 35, 3, 105. So you can simplify like this. There is no symbol, multiplication. It is 19x. 19 is multiplying with x. So 19 should take other side. So already what is the other side? Minus 285. You come to division place. Divide by 19. Okay. So do division, you will get the answer. This is actually the converting from one step equation, one side to other side, plus to minus, minus to plus. Next we have multi-step equations. Even page number, yeah, 6, 7 also you can practice so many questions in that. Let's see in the 8th page in this PDF. Multi-step. So solve the equations. No, first the term with x. Remember, x by 12 is one term. X is dividing with 12. This entire is subtracting. Entire is less to 7. So 7 is decreased from this entire. So minus 7 is separate. First we should take this side right side. Which is the variable term? Let it be as it is. Don't change it. Don't take 12 is dividing and take right side into 12. No. First, x by 12 is one term. This entire is subtracting minus 7. No? That means x by 12 as it is minus 6. Minus 7 becomes plus 7. That is the first step. Minus 7, minus 6 plus 7 is 1. Now x by 12. Now we can go for the one step. Now x is divided by 12. 12 is dividing with x. So x is equals to 1 times 12. Take right side, multiply, that is 12. X is equal to 12. This is the way you can do it. Any problem, same pattern you apply. Next question, n minus 1. N is subtracting with 1. Remember, this entire is dividing with 3. Right? This entire part is dividing with 3 means first 3 we should take to right side. So what is the method? N minus 1 is equals to minus 4 is there. 3 is multiply, dividing, it will multiply. Next, n minus 1 is equals to minus 12. Now you can go for the single step method. Minus 1 is n minus 1. So 1 is subtracting from n. So minus 1 should take other side. Become plus 1. That is minus 11. N is equals to. Same logic you apply for all the problems. Let's see a few more examples to be clear because I'm giving 2 more pages also like these questions you need to practice. Now 5 plus r. What we should do? 2 is dividing, no? It becomes minus 4. R is equals to minus 4 minus 5. So minus 9. Once perfect, you can do directly by seeing. Here what we should do? N divided by 5 is one set. Minus 8 is there. Then only we can take this minus 10 to right side plus 10. That is 2. N divided by 5 is equals to is N is equals to 10. Okay, 2 into 5. Right. Even though here minus 10 plus N is equals to minus 20. 4 into 5 now. Then N is equals to minus 20 plus 10, that is minus 10. Okay. N is equals to minus 10. Right. Same way, first you can take 8 is even like this also. X by 12 is adding with 8. So plus 8, 8 is adding to the set. You can take right side. Then x by 12 is equals to 9 minus 8, 1. Then x is equals to 12. Okay. This is the way you're supposed to do multi step equations. Next we have literal equations. Finding instead of numbers only the variables are given. Solve each of the equation for the indicated variable. Indicated variables only a value you should find out from this. So what we should do it, am is equals to n plus p. Then a is equals to n plus p. M is multiplying with a, right? So divide by m is a value. Next for x is equals to w minus v. K is adding, so it will be minus k this side. Simple. Same. A is equals to v minus w. K is adding to the a, no, minus k. A value. So a is equals to n plus p plus m. Take other side. So just instead of numbers, all our variables are given. You can use the same pattern, same logic here. Next, along with this, we have the solving equations, few more in this 10th page of this PDF in skill 6. So 9th pages and some pages also I am giving the equations. Not only this, more are there. You need to practice from the PDF file. In this skill 6, you need to perfectly like simplification by observing combination questions. Same like first we should do what, n by 4, no? Plus 8 take right side, 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Then n is equals to minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Okay. You can continue remaining, only few more sums I'll explain. 7 plus a, 25 dividing, it will multiply 1 into 25, that is 25. Only a value we write, 25 minus 7. So you need to simplify. Steps only I am explaining. Okay, let us see some steps right side also. 1 plus n is adding with 1, this is one set. So what we should do it, 15 is dividing into 15, 1 into 15. Then n is equals to 14, 15 minus 1. Same way, minus 7 plus n is equals to 4 is dividing now, minus 6 is there already, into 4. First that variable having one set, subtracting with 7, entire is dividing with 4. That entire only should take right side. What is doing separately? Now this is minus 24. If you want only n value, minus 7 becomes plus 7. So you can simplify. Okay. Now let us come to the sixth problem. 6 plus k is one set. This completely multiplying with minus 4. So some of you confuse here. Minus 4, no, immediately will take plus 4. So no. What we should do it? First, what operation is doing? The number with the variable. K is adding with 6, but complete set is multiplying with minus 4. So now 6 plus k remains same. Minus 4 is the right side. This minus 4 is multiplying with 6 plus k, bracket. It's multiplying. Multiplication is division other side. So divide by minus 4. Okay, this is the method. Minus 4 divided by minus 4 is 1. Minus by minus is plus. 4 by 4 is 1. 6 plus k is equal to 1. Then k is equals to 1 minus 6. Now 6 you can take right side. This is a minus 5. Okay. This is the main pattern you need to follow in this multi-steps or single step. So equation solving. Right. So not only this, only few problems I'm explaining. No, every page you're supposed to practice each and every problem from every page. Then only one topic by next topic, one skill, one perfect, then come to the next skill. Then only you can go one by one, will be perfect for you.